In this video, I will show you how to delete your ChatGPT account on mobile. So let's get started. First, open ChatGPT app on your mobile device. Next, tap on menu icon located at the top left side. At the bottom, tap on your name and from the available options, tap Data Controls. Now under Account section, you will find an option Delete Account. Tap on Delete Account and you will get a confirmation prompt that says deleting your account is permanent and you cannot recover it. All your data, including profile, conversations, and API usage, will be removed. And you cannot reuse the same email or phone number for the new account. So if you are sure you want to delete ChatGPT account, tap on Delete Account and your ChatGPT account will be deleted permanently. So that is how you can delete ChatGPT account on mobile. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.